Good morning, class. Today we are going to use our math mountains from yesterday and our knowledge of equations from yesterday to write multiple equations for one math mountain. So today we are going to look at some examples, and Miss DeLucchi is going to explain how to write equations with the math mountain, and then you will be doing your own on Google Slides. So let's start with a math mountain. The total always goes on top. So I have 90 plus I have the parts at the bottom. So 30 is going to be one of my add-ins, and 60 is going to be my other add-in. And I'm going to use this information to help me write those equations. So what I'm going to do is, I know from yesterday that an add-in plus an add-in always equals my sum or total. So I know 30 plus 60 equals our total, which is 90. Then I'm going to take that information, and knowing that I have already studied the commutative property of addition, which you can switch the order of your add-ins or parts, I'm going to put 60 first plus 30. And then I know these two add-ins once again equal my sum or total of 90. Notice that when I'm writing these equations, all the numbers I am using are coming from this math mountain. I'm not coming up with any new numbers in my head. So then I take this information and write some subtraction equations. So what I do here is, in subtraction, the total comes first. So 90 comes first. Then I take one of my add-ins. Let's start on this side, which would be 30. 90 minus 30, which I know is my other add-in, which is 60. Then I'm going to switch the order of those add-ins again. Always in subtraction, the total comes first, 90. Then this time I'm going to put 60 first. Then 90 minus 60 equals 30. Okay, now let's do one more together. I'm going to move this paper slightly up. Okay, so 120 will be my total for this math mountain. Then I have 70 plus my other add-in, which is 50. So total at top, two parts or add-ins at the bottom. And once again, going through that same process, I take my two add-ins, 70 plus 50 equals 120. And then because of the commutative property, I can switch the order. 50 plus 70 equals 120. Then in my subtraction equations, the total comes first. 120 minus 70 equals 50. And once again, subtraction, total comes first, which is at the top here. 120 minus 50 equals 70. Remember to use this video to help you with the Google Slides you will be doing with this assignment. Now that you know how to create equations with fact families, I will see you on the next video on how to balance equations.